Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to install Windows 10 operating system in the VMware workstation or virtual machine. So I have recently built this PC01 but there is no operating system in it. Now let me go to the CD and insert the operating system image ISO images. I'll just came here, select Windows 10 and I will say open. Once you are done, just power on this virtual machine and you just watch the operating system will be loaded here. See, the operating system is loaded. So it will ask me to select the keyboard option, languages, where we need to key in the information there. See, now let me select next and select on install now. Now you see next option like activate the Windows means for any operating system we need to key in the license keys. But in this case, I don't have any license key. So I'll just click on I don't have product key with me. So now once you click that, there you have multiple options of operating system Windows 10. So Windows 10 Home Edition, Windows 10 Education purposes and Windows 10 Professional also there. So let me select Windows 10 Pro means professional version and say next. Then you need to accept the license terms and conditions. Okay, you have to accept the license terms and conditions and say next. Now click on this Windows install or custom install Windows only. So now if you remember 60 GB is total hard drive space I've added, but out of 60 GB I'm gonna use 51,200 MB means which is my 50 GB of storage space to the C drive, and remaining 10 GB I'm gonna create an additional drive. Click on that new, apply OK, and you see this is primary. I'm going to install operating system here. So the operating system installation began now. So it will take about 6 to 7 minutes. It would like to, I mean, it will try to make the things ready for installation and then start installation. This 100% should be completed. Once this 100% completed, then the installing feature will happen and updates will also be installed, and then the machine gets restarted to finish up. So we need to wait for a couple of minutes. If you see, the installation is now completed and it is getting restarted. So it will take a while to restart the computer. Once the computer is up, we can, it will ask a couple of questions. If it is a standard image, it won't ask any custom questions. Since it is a custom image, I mean it's a directly downloaded from the Microsoft website and there is no fine tuning happened. So it will ask some questions and we need to key in the answers. So let us follow the same thing. It is still loading the files. Normally, the performances depends upon the memory, the RAM. Here we have given 4 GB of memory. It will take a while to restart. Let us wait for a moment. So once the restart is done, so it will take you to this page. So here, just continue the United States, the region. Then the keyboard layout is also US. I don't have to change. I can skip this additional second keyboard option. I don't have any secondary keyboard, so now you will end up in this page. How would you like to set it up? It will give you two options. One is set up for your personal use, another one is for an organization. So if you select for organization, you have to key in your office address, office ID, email ID. So better to select the personal use. So I'll select the personal use and say next. And then it will give you to add your account, but you can see offline account in the left side down. Click on the offline account with limited experience. Click on limited experience and type admin, whatever username you wanted. Now put the password. Okay, re-enter the password. Yeah, and then it will ask for the security question. Just select any key, any answer, any question. Answer is A. Okay, and then next. Once you key in all the three question and answer, it will take a moment and it will say choose this privacy settings. Yes, you need to select and skip this customization. You don't need to do any customization. And Cortana, we don't want to. Cortana is in voice assistance and we don't want to have that enabled now. So I'll click on not now. So once you're done, the profile will be getting created. This profile will take some time to create, maybe a minute, and we may need to wait for that to happen. Let's wait for let's wait for this. See, now it is created the profile and it logs in. So that is how we will install the Windows 10 operating system to the virtual machine or even for the physical laptop and desktop. Thank you all for watching this.